Take a ride in the 2026 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, towing package, rain sensing wipers, cargo area protector. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.